Introducing NWarch AI by Daten Wissen, unlocking the power of archived data to transform your operations. At Daten Wissen, we deliver customized AI solutions for complex challenges. Recognized by India's DPIIT and as part of NVIDIA's Inception program, NWarch AI stands at the forefront of innovation. In the safety domain, our AI prevents accidents and ensures compliance. Real-time video analytics detect missing hard hats, vests, or gloves and alert when safety harnesses are not worn. It even monitors crowd density and edge zones to highlight potential hazards instantly. For security, NWarch AI automates surveillance analytics. It flags intruders or unauthorized entries, captures and recognizes vehicle license plates in real time, and detects fire or smoke at the first sign. Immediate alerts help security teams respond faster and more effectively. In operations, NWarch AI drives efficiency. It monitors vehicle speeds on your premises, automatically counts products moving on a line, and detects obstacles or blockages on the factory floor. All processing happens in real time at the edge, so you gain instant insights and smoother workflows. And we don't stop there. NWarch AI powers a suite of custom solutions. From a Gym AI personal trainer app and automated food recognition to smart invoice processing and even mosquito detection or fragrance similarity analysis, our AI innovations tackle your unique challenges. NWarch AI is trusted across industries, from chemicals and automobiles to FMCG, manufacturing, construction, education, banking, and beyond. No matter your sector, our solutions adapt to your specific needs. We enhance all our products and services with cutting-edge generative AI and agentic AI technologies. Whether integrated within our video analytics solutions or offered as standalone services, these AI capabilities drive smarter automation, deeper insights, and proactive decision-making, empowering your business to stay ahead in an ever-evolving landscape. Contact Daten Wissen today to transform your business with AI.